Good morning. We're taking a walk in the chemical-induced rain. They sprayed the sky full yesterday. I stood down here and watched it take place. The planes, they were way up high. It took a long time for the chemical to settle down in the sky, but they made several trips over this area here in several different directions. They were crosses in the sky. About an hour after they stopped doing that, the sky turned dark and cloudy, and it looked like it was going to rain. And then it all went away and it cleared up. But during the night, it started raining again. I've seen it happen like that twice in a row now here in the last few weeks. It's in my videos. There's 2 different videos that have it. I tried to find the first one and update it and republish it, but apparently I didn't title it right. I went to see the neurologist yesterday, and they can't do any kind of testing over there. They want me to have an EEG about something about having seizures and so on, and they can't do that there. Have to go see another doctor to do that. They can't do blood work there. Have to go somewhere else and see another doctor to get that done. So, anyways, I've sent a message to my sister. I don't know if she can help me get to the hospital today to get the blood work done or not. I don't think Lumpkin County Emergency Room can do EEG, but I did talk to them. I did talk to them about the blood work, and when I get there, if I get there, I'll ask them about doing the EEG about seizures. Anyways, let's go for a walk. Thanksgiving Day is going to be cold. It's going to be down about 30 degrees. The day after Thanksgiving is going to be in the 20s. And the next day after that is also going to be in the 20s. I dread that. I really dread that. The high will only be in the 40s. You know, there's lots of places it's lots worse. I was born here. My family was born here and raised here. Anyways, it's pretty good here compared to some places where some people live. Some people deal with snow and ice all winter long, every day. God bless them. This place is old, where I live. Been there a long time. There's 3 houses on one well. If somebody's water freezes at the house before mine, then I don't have any water at my house. And my neighbor Ben, he won't have any water at his house. Three houses on one well. Have to pay the man that owns the well for the water. My brother Beanie, he managed to make it to Copper Hill, Tennessee yesterday, to his property. to the little camper and motorcycle trailer he's been living in up there. It took a big toll on him. God bless him. Thank you for praying for my brother. Please, please, please continue to do so. Let's walk a little bit further. Man, I see Christmas lights down the road. That guy scares me. He's come down the road, and I've had to jump over in the ditch. And when my brother spent a couple of days with me, we was coming back from the store, and we met him on our side of the road. All right, friends. I'm going to walk back to the house. Look, listen, think, and pray for my brother. God bless you, friends.